Anna Moses. Jacob Shamlin. Michael Steele.
If you look in your program, you'll see that the Principal's Elephant Award has no name beside it. That's because it's a total surprise. And the Principal's Elephant Award goes to someone who has demonstrated an outstanding character trait worthy of remembering. You know, my dad told me when I went to college there are only two things in life: gnats and elephants. The gnats you don't worry about, but the big things, the elephants you do. And the secret to success in life is to know the difference. So I'm pleased to present Elephant Awards tonight to the following folks. Our Principal's Elephant Award winner, Ms. Deshauna, I call her Dee Dee, Reed. Principal's Elephant Award, the Shamlin family. Come on down. That's Eric Shamlin, Kelly Shamlin, Jacob, Kristen, I like to call her Grace, Luke, and even Ben, the newest member of the family. Congratulations, and thank you for your service to our school.
If you're an adult, because you realize how much you actually do not know as compared to 8, 9, and 10-year-olds. The 5th grade team represented Beach Hill Elementary School extremely well, to the point that they would come up and congratulate through handshakes their competitors after each round of competition. They served Beach Hill well and made each of you here tonight very proud. Our 5th grade team consisted of Ms. Shelby Baker, Mr. Dalton Fox,
the runner-up for this year's spelling bee was Miss Amber Norris.
5 individuals: Miss Paige Bistramowitz, Jacob Daly, Sam Hobson, Mikey Mangillo, and Jackson Wells.
10 Math School competition. Our team members are Jackson Ellenberg, William Cubitt, Annette Paxton, Jacob Shamblin, and Kennedy Garrett, who recently moved. Congratulations, 5th grade math team.
And now the fabulous Miss Gallagher to announce our honor roll students.
Good job, Jacob.
And Miss Rayfield, would you please come down? Riley Abernethy, Carl Ainsley Bell, Paige Bistramowitz, and Miss Rayfield, would you please come down? Riley Bell, Paige Bistramowitz.
says swinging.